Now I'm gonna invite Lucas King to come up. Lucas, can you please come up? I want you to come up over here, Lucas. Lucas King is over here, Lucas. We're gonna follow the process. That's right. And I'm bringing Lucas up. Lucas is one of the youth that are part of our program. He's going to be sharing. He's from Unity Chapel, Unity Village Chapel. Did I say that right, Lucas? He's been training me. So anyway, he is going to share reading with you from Edwin Gaines, The Four Spiritual Laws of Prosperity, because today is about prosperity and it's about expanding our consciousness, and we have a special treat for you. So I'm going to open this up. Here you are, Lucas. Here you are. Let's give him some love. Can you read that?
All right. We, as a human race, have managed to build the internal combustion engine, eradicate polio, and make TV dinners you can heat in just minutes in the microwave. But we have not yet learned one of the most important things of all, how to form a healthy attitude toward money. We have to learn to be masters of our money and not let it be the masters of us. We must realize that the power to bring about real and positive change to this world is not in gold bullion, stocks, or bonds. Instead, the power is within us, as children of God, at the level of our spirituality. Money is a means to an end, not the end itself. You cannot eat money, and it cannot keep you warm and cuddle you at night. Simply having money is not the goal. The goal is to use it to do whatever your heart leads you to do, and to do which fulfills your divine purpose. Ashe.